Good morning, everyone. Today I'm making a bento for my daughter only. I usually cook for my wife as well, but she doesn't need one today. First, I'm going to cook a rice 1 cup, which is more than enough for one. Today's main dish is going to be Hamburg Steak. It's Frikadeller with a teriyaki sauce. Frikadeller is a German dish that came to Japan over 100 years ago. And now this dish is one of the most popular dishes in Japanese home cooking. Now I'm going to make meat patty. First I'm going to cut purple onion, murasaki tamanegi into small pieces and stir fry them until they are softened. And now also I'm going to add breadcrumbs, which we call it panko, and I add milk, which is gyunyu. The reason that I'm adding breadcrumbs and milk is that, first breadcrumbs will soften the patty, and the milk will reduce the meaty smell. I'm going to use this is ground beef, which is gyuhiki, and this is the ground pork, which is butahiki. Add some salt, shio, and black pepper, which is kurokosho. Mix well. After mixing well, I'm going to add this is a chicken stock, which is additive free. Chicken stock will make the patty juicy. And also I'm going to add the panko with the milk that I made. And also the stir-fried purple onion. And the patty is done. I'm going to put it in the fridge to cool it down. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a sweet egg omelette, which is Tamagoyaki. I use 1 egg for today because only for one person. I add milk and brown sugar, which is soseto. Mix well. Adding milk is to make the tamagoyaki fluffy. This sweet egg omelette, tamagoyaki, is a very popular dish for bento, and we make it sweet. Sometimes we make the unsweet version, but typically we make it sweet omelette. And my daughter, she loves sweet one. Just need to flip over a few times. The inside is still kind of raw, so I'm going to put the lid on it and steam a little bit for 5 minutes or so. And this is done. I'm going to put them on kitchen paper to take out any moisture. Now I'm going to make ham rolls with vegetables. I'm going to stir fry the vegetables using rice oil, which is kome abura. I also add red and orange and yellow bell pepper to make it colorful. And these are done. I'm going to put them into ham, so I'm going to just cut into small pieces. Just slice it. This is ham. I add mayonnaise, which is additive free, and salt, shio, and mix a little bit. Now ready to put them on the ham. I'm going to fix the ham using a toothpick. I'm going to cut off the pointy end of toothpicks because it's kind of dangerous. And this is done. It's like a little flower. Now I'm gonna make a hamburger patty into a bowl and fry them. I'm going to cover them with the potato starch, which is katakuriko. And the potato starch will prevent the patty from drying out. And also it will help the sauce stick to the patty better. I'm going to use rice oil again and put the patty. Now it's nice and crispy and brown. I'm gonna make a teriyaki sauce. Put some rice wine, which is nihonshu or sake, and brown sugar, which is soseto, and home mirin, which is sweet rice wine. And home mirin will make the patty very shiny. I'm going to reduce the sauce until it become like sticky. Now it's becoming very sticky. I'm gonna add light color soy sauce, which is with shoyu. I could use dark soy sauce, but I don't want to make it so dark, too dark. So I'm gonna just use a light soy sauce. Now it's becoming very sticky because of the sugar. You see that they are very shiny because of home mirin, sweet rice wine that I put. Now this is done. Looks very nice. Okay, rice is cooked. Very nice and fluffy. The rice is still very hot, so I'm going to cool it down a little bit. I'm going to cover the kitchen paper to prevent the rice from drying out. Now it's cool enough, so I'm going to put everything into bento box. I always try to put 3 colors into bento, which is red and green and yellow. So I have yellow for Tamagoyaki, sweet egg omelette, and green for broccoli, and red for red pepper. These red pepper, they are not spicy. For finish touch, I'm gonna add egg and black sesame seeds, frikake. I have about 4 different kinds of frikake at home. And this is done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. I'm sure that you have some kind of meatballs in your countries. And if you try to make teriyaki sauce, and you can make something like this. And I hope you give a try. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye bye.